Okay, we're gonna climb up these stone stairs to that cave. And I have some very squirrely girls with me. Oh yeah, both 12-year-olds. So you know this is gonna be a crazy day. Oh my goodness, they are already having trouble walking up these stairs. Look at that stone wall. I'd love to build one of those. Okay. Looks like there's been some fire. Yeah, it is a Dossie. Yes, Dossie. Oh, doesn't he look delicious? Hi, Dossie. Nummy, nummy. In my tummy, tummy. Oh, there was a stone. I almost fell down, went boom. The girls would have found that very humorous. Shh, don't tell them. Oh, look at the view on the other side. If it wasn't cold out, this would be amazing. I don't care if the surfers are wearing wetsuits. That's just too cold, man. Too cold. Go up the first one. There are 2 stairs. Oh, this is slippery. Careful. Oh, they come together. Is this one? Okay, let's step back so we can see. This is amazing. Would be a great place to camp, huh? All right, so we'll go around the path here. Stone Age archaeology in southern Africa. All right. Stone tools from Pinnacle Point. All right, let's see. Let's get this whole thing in there and take a picture. Oh, the ocean is talking to us. Oh. Can you picture a fire there? But we have a drip. Somebody needs to work on the roof. Come on, come on. Oh, do you think some Dossies live in these little itty bitty caves? Look at, look at, look at. Okay. The Stone Age in Mossel Bay. 200 years of archaeological research. Let's see if we can get all of that in there. There's Jeff. I didn't know that he was going to come up.
What?
I didn't know you were going to come up.
I'm not going to go up there.
Yeah, I want to go up there. Yeah. Yeah, they're waiting for me. This is like old news to them. All right, let's meet up with our tour guide, Miss Wheezy. Oh, okay. Yeah, this is absolutely stunning. Look at this view from this cave. This would have been a great place to live as the people that came before us lived. I mean, come on. You can't beat that, right? If you got a nice hot fire in front of you, that would be awesome. Okay, Miss Tour Guide, I am ready. I'm gonna go without the tour guide. She's gawking at the waves too. All right. 12-year-olds. Ooh, this is a little slick, so we may go fairly slow. This is all wet. Oh, I heard my name. They're calling me, but I called for you. I have video proof. I think I'm going a little too fast, though. I don't want to slide on this. This is wet. Careful, ladies. It's wet. You could slide. She's so dramatic. Loving these stone steps. And I know I'm going to be in the car for like, I don't know, 5 hours, I think? I don't remember how long it is. It's a long time. So I'm happy to get some steps in now, because I won't get any later. Oh, we are going up there. Wow. Okay, guys. Maybe I'll show you this while I'm walking. It is slippery. I lost traction there. The way down, I'm going to have to be extra careful. There's a path that way. So, yeah, let's... Alright, I'm going to pause you till I get to the top. Okay, so I'm almost to the top. And you can see there's a fence here with some concertina wire. So obviously, we're not going that route. So let's see where this leads us. We still have the beautiful view off here. Well, that's pretty cool the way they had that drainage going there. Okay. Ooh, it brings us to a giant boulder off to the side here. Oh yeah, gorgeous. Take a picture. It'll last longer. All right, and then yeah, let's just make this a little more hectic. Wow, this is amazing. We still have another route to go. So this isn't the end of the tour. So we could go that route, and that's breathtaking. But I think I want to go check out going higher before I get called to let's go. Because I'm sure my host wants to get going, wants to get home. So he's waiting at the cave. All right, let's go. I think the girls are on their way up. Gotta stay a step ahead of them. Ah! No, I'm doing both. They said I went the wrong way. Wheezy. She thinks she knows. All right, you follow along with me. Watch that beautiful view for me, would you? All right, I gotta watch the path. And maybe I don't go higher. Does it not go higher? Oh, there's a bench to sit on. But it's wet right now because it's morning. Huh? Why? There's a path. She's telling me I gotta stop here. You must stop here. Ooh. Dassy hole? Looks like somebody used it for garbage. Always garbage everywhere we go, right? Okay. I stopped the video before and I ran away so that I could do it faster. And now I'm going to slow down and enjoy the view. See, there's still a path. So I'm going to keep going to the end of the path. And then I will turn around. Not till then, girls. Yeah, they're not following me. See, they're over there. Yep, she's waving at me. Take a picture of Wheezy. All right. I think she's actually waving to me to come forward, but come back. Come back. Nope. I will in a minute. And I get to the end of the path and it looks like I'm getting near to, maybe not. Oh my goodness, what's up here? They set me loose on a path and think I'm going to just listen. Oh, there's a little birdie. All right, did everybody get to sleep? I got sleep. I feel amazing. Oh, there's a rock in my path. Does it stop me? No. Here we go. Look, look, look. We're gonna go up a little bit more. Oh, I hear them. I hear them. They're calling after me. They're calling after me. Seriously, ladies and gentlemen, put in the comments, would you have stopped just at that cave? Or would you continue on and check out this beauty from all sides? I'd be interested to know. Oh, there's a root, and they make a great stair. Big stair, but a stair nonetheless. I don't know. Can I keep going here? I can. Yep. I'm going slow. You're 12. Catch up. She said, wait for me. I'm 56. This 12-year-old can't keep up with me? That's sad. What's this world coming to, right? I'm going to pause until I get to the top. Well, I just found out from 2 other hikers that this goes all the way around. So if I wanted, I could keep going. But I guess everybody wants to leave. Are you here to tell me that we gotta go? You're tired. She's tired. Oh, spectacular. I just found out that this path goes all the way around. It doesn't end. I'll have to do that someday. Another time, guys. Another time. All right. So we better go back down. I'm sure Jeff wants to get going. He was just blowing that horn. If he does it again, I'd have it.